Hey there, so we wanted to show you the water treatment with the ozone. The heart of the system is just this Flowtech half horsepower jet pump. Okay, so that sucks water up here from the cistern through the pump, and then it goes through a manifold here. Now you don't need this manifold at all. You can just have a pipe that goes through this, which is a venturi. I did it this way just because it was the first time. I wanted to make sure things were working, so I used a little bit of clear PVC on this side through the manifold, clear PVC on this side, and I'll show you in a minute when I turn this on that you'll see the water coming in is solid. It goes through the venturi here. This venturi sucks from this green tube, which is the ozone generator. Okay, this just takes electricity, creates ozone, and the ozone gas gets sucked into the venturi. Oh, where am I here? Here we go, into the venturi. And then on this side, you'll see that there's all gas bubbles in the water. That's the ozone gas that's in the water. And then it just goes out here and back out to the cistern, where you want to dump it back in 4 to 8 inches below the top of the water line. It'll mix in with the water in the cistern, and all of the water gets treated. So I'll turn it on here. There's a bunch of other things that you don't need that I have. Obviously you'll want to switch, but I also put it on a timer. So this runs basically really early in the morning automatically every day, just to treat the water, to keep it clean and clear. Now ozone, one of the main things ozone does, we didn't put it in for this, but it removes iron and manganese from the water by causing what's called flocculation. It causes it to kind of clump up, and any regular filter will filter it out, just like this here. This is our 5-micron carbon block filter. So it's a 20-inch filter. It's real easy to change, and that'll take out any of the contaminants. But ozone also cleans the water. It removes any biological contamination, bacteria, mold, fungus. It takes care of all that. So let me kick it on here. It'll get loud with the pump, but you'll see on this side here, the water coming in is solid. Goes through the venturi, sucks in the ozone. On this side, you'll see a bunch of little air bubbles. Here we go. So there's the solid flow of water there. Up through the venturi. Sucking the ozone in from the ozone generator. And then on this side, you can see, I hope the camera's catching it. We go from one side to the other. There's the solid. No ozone bubbles in there. And then on this side, should be able to see lots of ozone bubbles. And that's it. So I've just got it on a timer. Runs real early in the morning, every day. So then after that, you probably have something very similar to this, the big blue pressure pump. After the pressure pump, we go through the filter, and then we also have the UV, which is this chamber here. You just put this in line, and inside this chamber, might be on, is a UV bulb. So that just sits down in there. There's a quartz tube, like a glass tube, that the UV light sits in, and that big silver chamber will also disinfect. Generally people use one or the other, ozone or UV. We've got them both. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. It's it's fairly straightforward. It's pretty easy to set up. There are a few pieces, but if you do the ozone, you won't have any problems with that iron and manganese anymore. We'll take all that out. All right, let us know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye-bye.